We're going to look at the eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator. You can get to it, let's go back. The quick key to get to that is Shift E. But before you start erasing, I just want to point out, if you double click when you're in that tool, you have all these options. You can set the angle, you can set the roundness, and you can set the size. I want to point this out because I would advise you to get a good size based on the area that you want to erase. Be efficient with this tool because it's designed to make you efficient. So once you have it set, you can, if you hold down Shift, it will erase in a straight line in either direction. Holding down Shift and pulling down this way, it's going to slice off. Now, I also want to point out that because my object has applied a stroke and a fill, that when it erases it, it preserves that attribute. It just breaks it down into a smaller shape. So that's just the basic use for the eraser tool. And again, it's Shift E is the quick key.